Hey, Tommy. You still managing that band of yours? Tell him to stop with all that variety nonsense. Stick to one genre. Ain't nobody trying to hear all that.
What the hell am I supposed to do? The kid doesn't listen,
Just get it done.
Motherfucker. Who does he think he is? I'm gonna call full shit right now.
Yo, what's happening, gang?
I've got critics and label reps breathing down my damn neck about all the shit you're putting out. Can you just keep it simple for once? Stick to one genre. Nobody likes a jack of all trades in the music business. Get this shit figured out and get that shit figured out now.
I'ma just do me. Till they put me in that wood.